Mombasa and Bungoma as some of the top counties in cases of child labor and sexual exploitation. According to ILO Program Manager Grace Banya, the international organization was currently engaged in a support program targeting Kenya and Uganda. She noted that despite the government putting in place several laws and policies, cases of child labor and exploitation continue to be on the rise. She attributed these to poverty, drought, as was the case in Kajiado, where tens of children dropped from school to rear their parents' livestock and traditional cultural norms.
Trying to influence the county government budgets to see how counties can put money into interventions that help communities, especially vulnerable households that are sending their children to work early. As you may know, it is illegal to employ an underage child. There is a law, a Kenya law, that prohibits underage children from going into work. Children are supposed to be children and enjoy their childhood and be in school.
The biggest driver of child labor in this region remains agriculture, where statistics show that 72% of children in child labor are still in the agriculture sector. And worth noting, even in the context of Kenya, is that rural agricultural context still is the leading driver. These children are mostly in informal agricultural setting. You find that child labor is driven by poverty and the rural nature of agriculture in these